Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay on StockX. There are two main methods. The first is through StockX gift cards. Go to afterpay.com and search for StockX. If gift cards are available, click the StockX banner, choose the amount, and purchase it using Afterpay. Once your payment is complete, you'll receive a 16-digit gift card code along with its details. Then log into your StockX account, add items to your cart, and at checkout, simply enter the gift card information to complete your order. The second method is to check directly on StockX.com. Add your item to the cart, go to checkout, and look for Afterpay as a payment option. If it's available, just select it and finish your purchase. If it's not there, you'll need to use the gift card method. And that's it. That's how you can use Afterpay with StockX. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.